Welcome to MaxLife Man, your essential YouTube channel, expertly led by our top expert, Dr. Jonathan Prescott. With over 30 years of experience as a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist, Dr. Prescott has helped men across America restore their vitality, rebuild confidence, and reclaim the strength they thought was long gone. Gentlemen, what I'm about to share is simple, safe, and surprisingly powerful. Even if you're 70, 75, or 80, there's a natural way to awaken your body's own mechanisms for stronger, firmer erections without pills, surgery, or embarrassment. It takes just 1 minute, one precise spot, and your own two hands. Most men spend decades overlooking this secret, and when they discover it, the results can be immediate. Now, before we dive in, let's make this interactive. If you find value in what I share today, hit that like button. It's a small action that supports this community and lets me know you're engaged. And while you're at it, subscribe and ring the notification bell. That way you'll never miss another tip to stay strong, confident, and performing at your best. I also want to send a few special wishes your way. May this like button brighten your day and remind you that vitality is still within reach. May every tap reinforce your confidence and celebrate your strength. And may this simple gesture inspire a month filled with energy, pride, and self-respect. Finally, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a 1 in the comments if this message resonates, or a 0 if you want me to make the next video even more helpful. Alright, now that we're connected, let's uncover the first truth every man over 60 must know about potency and reclaiming natural strength. Let's get real for a moment. Most men over 60 assume that losing potency is a sign they've aged out or lost their masculinity. That couldn't be further from the truth. What happens isn't about weakness, it's about communication breakdown inside your own body. As men age, the nervous system, circulatory system, and pelvic muscles, the three pillars of male performance, begin to slow down. Nerves lose sensitivity, blood vessels stiffen and narrow, and the pelvic floor muscles quietly weaken. It's like a well-oiled machine running on slightly frayed wiring. The desire is still there, the memory of how it used to feel is still alive, but the connection has become muted. Consider Mr. Harold Bennett, 68, a retired accountant. He came to me frustrated. Morning erections had disappeared, and he felt like a shadow of his younger self. Yet after understanding the underlying physiology, he realized it wasn't lost forever. It was just a matter of restoring signal flow between brain, nerves, and blood vessels. Here's the key. The body still remembers its blueprint of youthful vitality. Every nerve fiber, every vessel, every muscle fiber in the pelvic region retains the potential for performance. Years of sitting, stress, medications, and reduced activity may have dulled the response, but it hasn't erased it. This is where a precise technique can make all the difference. By stimulating the body in the right way, men can awaken those dormant pathways and reconnect the communication lines that time and inactivity have weakened. It's not magic, it's biology working exactly as it was designed. Gentlemen, before we move on, remember this: losing potency with age isn't failure. It's a call to retrain your body, restore circulation, and reactivate your pelvic strength. Understanding this truth sets the stage for everything we'll explore next, especially the hidden spot that holds the key to reclaiming natural performance. Now that we understand why potency fades with age, let's uncover a hidden powerhouse that most men completely overlook: the perineum. This small patch of skin between the scrotum and the anus holds a bridge of nerves, blood vessels, and pelvic muscles that are critical for male performance. It's not your penis, it's not the prostate directly, but it connects both in ways that can reactivate natural firmness. Under the surface of the perineum lies the pudendal nerve, a main highway sending signals from the brain to your pelvic muscles. Stimulate it the right way and the entire system wakes up, almost like flipping a switch that tells your body it's time to perform. Blood flow improves, muscles respond, and even the prostate gets gentle, indirect stimulation that helps clear stagnation. Let me give you an example. Mr. George Whitman, 72, a retired firefighter, had tried pills, pumps, even hormone therapy, and nothing worked. After learning the proper technique on the perineum, he noticed subtle morning firmness within weeks. The transformation wasn't just physical, his confidence returned and he felt alive again. Think of the perineum as a pressure gateway. When you apply gentle, firm circular pressure, you're sending a clear signal to your body to reawaken dormant pathways. It's the kind of natural, low-risk intervention that modern medicine didn't always emphasize, but has been backed by centuries of understanding male anatomy and circulation. The beauty of this spot is that it's entirely self-controlled. No devices, no pills, no embarrassment. Just your hands, 1 minute, and the right focus. Once you know how to locate it and stimulate it safely, you'll understand why thousands of men consider this the master key to male vitality. In the next section, we'll go step by step on how to find this spot and massage it properly, so you can start experiencing these benefits safely and effectively. Before we move further, I want to take a moment to connect directly with you, our viewers. Over the past few videos, I've received dozens of letters and comments from men sharing their experiences, doubts, and questions. Today, let's address a few of the most common ones, honestly, sometimes humorously, always with respect. 1. Dr. Prescott, is it really possible at my age? Absolutely. Age doesn't erase the body's blueprint, it simply asks for a gentle wake-up call. 2. Can I see results in one day? Think of this as conversation, not magic. 1 minute starts the signal, but consistent practice builds lasting response. 3. Will this technique replace medication? No, it complements your body's own healing. Medications may still have a place, but this reconnects what nature already provided. 4. Isn't this embarrassing? Only if you let it be. Privacy and respect make this a ritual of self-care, not shame. 5. What if I do it wrong? Gentle, steady pressure wins. Stop if it hurts. Start again tomorrow. Your body learns gradually like any skill. 6. Do I need to tell my spouse? Optional, but sharing can deepen intimacy. Gentlemen, I encourage you to comment below, share your wins, questions, or even doubts. Type A1 if you've tried it, A0 if you haven't, and let's make this a conversation that benefits all men over 60. Remember, your engagement strengthens this community, supports others, and keeps these life-changing techniques in circulation. Now that you know the perineum's importance, let's talk about how to awaken it safely. This is less about force and more about connection, a quiet conversation with your own body. Start by finding a private, comfortable space. Sit or lie down, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and take a few deep breaths. Gentle awareness matters more than intensity. Place your index and middle fingers on the soft area between your scrotum and anus. At first, it might feel unfamiliar, that's okay. This is uncharted territory for many men, but it's where your natural strength lies. Begin with gentle, steady pressure. You want to feel a subtle firmness underneath, like a cushion, not painful, just noticeable. Then make slow circular movements, clockwise for 30 seconds, counterclockwise for 30 seconds. Keep breathing deeply, letting each exhale feed oxygen into your bloodstream and promote circulation. As you massage, you may feel warmth, tingling, or subtle energy spreading through your lower abdomen and pelvic region. That's your body remembering its natural pathways. Some men describe a calm, confident sensation, like reconnecting with a lost part of themselves. Remember, this is daily practice, not a one-time trick. Over time, the nervous system, pelvic muscles, and blood vessels begin to coordinate again. Morning erections may return, energy may improve, and confidence will rise. A quick tip: pairing this massage with a few pelvic floor exercises, Kegels, afterward can further strengthen the muscles that hold and maintain firmness. Treat this as a ritual of self-respect, not a mechanical task. Every minute spent is a step toward reclaiming vitality that's been dormant for decades. Next, we'll cover when and how often to do this so you can optimize results and integrate this practice naturally into your daily life. One of the most common mistakes men make is thinking more is better. But your body responds best to rhythm, consistency, and respect, not force. Think of this like learning a musical instrument or training a muscle. The goal is repetition and awareness, not intensity. The ideal schedule is twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. The morning session takes advantage of your body's natural state of rest and repair. Hormone levels are at their daily peak. Blood flow is ready to move, and a 1-minute massage can prime your system for the entire day. It's like flipping a switch that says, "Wake up, time to function." The evening session serves a different purpose. It helps drain stagnant blood, relax tense muscles, and promote deep pelvic relaxation while your body prepares for restorative sleep. This primes your nerves, vessels, and muscles to wake up stronger the next morning. For those preparing for intimacy, a 15-20-minute massage beforehand can boost sensitivity, circulation, and muscular readiness. It's not a magic button, but it primes your body for natural, confident performance. Consistency is key. 1 minute twice a day may seem small, but over weeks it rebuilds dormant pathways. Week 1, awareness and gentle circulation. Week 2, subtle sensations and stronger morning response. Week 3, your body remembers how to perform naturally. Week 4, noticeable improvement in firmness, endurance, and confidence. Finally, remember, this technique supports your body. It doesn't replace medical care. If you have diabetes, heart disease, or severe ED, use this as a complement to prescribed treatment. It works with your body, not instead of it, amplifying circulation, nerve activity, and pelvic strength over time. Next, we'll explore safety guidelines, how to ensure you're doing this correctly, avoiding discomfort, and making this a lifelong, injury-free habit. Before diving deeper, let's talk about safety. The perineum is a sensitive area, and even though this technique is natural, it requires respect and care. Think of it like a fine instrument. Gentle touch creates harmony, but too much force can cause discomfort or injury. Start with light, steady pressure. Mild tenderness is normal. It often indicates tissues that haven't been stimulated in years. Stop immediately if you feel sharp pain, burning, or soreness. Give your body time to adjust and resume gently the next day. If you have open sores, infections, or irritation, wait until fully healed. And for men with prostatitis or an enlarged prostate, a quick chat with your urologist is wise before starting. In most cases, the massage is safe and supportive, but confirming individual conditions avoids complications. A common mistake is overdoing it. Twice a day, 1 minute each session is more than enough. The focus is on communication, not domination. Your body responds to patience, not pressure. Remember, this is not a replacement for medical care. If you have deeper health concerns like diabetes, heart disease, or severe ED, this technique is a complement, not a substitute. It awakens circulation, reactivates nerve pathways, and strengthens muscles, supporting whatever treatment plan your doctor recommends. By approaching the perineum massage with mindfulness and consistency, men often notice subtle improvements within the first week, building to stronger natural erections, enhanced confidence, and renewed vitality over time. Next, we'll dive into the science behind why this 1-minute touch works, helping you understand exactly how it reactivates your body's male performance system. Some men might think this technique sounds too simple to be effective. How could pressing a small spot for 1 minute truly make a difference? The answer lies in physiology, the remarkable interplay between your nerves, blood vessels, and pelvic muscles. Beneath the perineum runs the pudendal nerve, the main messenger connecting your brain, pelvic floor, and genitals. Gentle, steady pressure wakes this nerve, sending electrical signals that relax muscles, expand blood vessels, and allow oxygen-rich blood to flow freely. That tingling or warmth you feel is your body remembering how to perform naturally. The prostate gland, located just beneath the perineum, also benefits. Over time, it can become congested with stagnant fluids, especially if circulation is limited. External stimulation of the perineum indirectly enhances prostate function, promoting healthier blood flow and clearing blockages. This is key for maintaining erections and overall prostate health after 60. Aging also affects blood vessels. The inner lining, the endothelium, can stiffen, reducing flexibility and limiting blood flow. Research shows that consistent, gentle stimulation can improve endothelial function, making vessels more responsive and restoring natural ability to fill the penis during arousal. Think of this as training your body to remember its own design. No pills, no external devices, just your nervous system, blood vessels, and muscles communicating again. I've seen countless men regain natural responses, proving the body never forgets how to heal, it just needs the right signal. And the best part, by combining this simple technique with hydration, gentle exercise, stress management, and warmth, you amplify these signals, creating a synergistic effect that restores potency, energy, and confidence naturally. Next, we'll discuss boosting results naturally, showing you how small daily habits can turn this 1-minute massage into a full-body transformation. Once you've begun the perineum massage and felt the first signs of awakening, it's time to amplify your results. Potency doesn't rely on a single factor, it's the harmony between blood flow, muscle strength, nutrition, and emotional balance. Supporting all these areas makes improvements long-lasting and holistic. Start with movement. Gentle, consistent exercise like a 20-30-minute daily walk boosts circulation, strengthens your heart, and encourages blood flow to the pelvic region. Add a few minutes of pelvic floor exercises, kegels, after each massage, and you'll notice your control, endurance, and strength improving steadily. Next, focus on hydration. Many men underestimate water's impact on energy and circulation. Thickened blood slows flow and reduces oxygen delivery. Drink steadily throughout the day. Each glass fuels better performance and vitality. Stress management is crucial. Chronic stress constricts blood vessels, lowers testosterone, and confuses your nervous system. Simple techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or a few quiet moments before bed can restore calm and support the signals your massage is activating. Finally, warmth enhances results. Performing the massage in a warm shower or after a bath relaxes muscles, improves circulation, and makes the body more receptive to stimulation. When these habits are combined with your daily 1-minute massage, they create synergy, revitalizing your entire system from the inside out. Movement, hydration, relaxation, and warmth all work together to maximize the perineum technique's benefits, improving firmness, energy, and confidence. Next, we'll explore the 30-day challenge, a structured routine designed to integrate these techniques and habits into a consistent, transformative practice. Now that you understand the technique and supporting habits, it's time to put it all into action with the 30-day challenge. This is about consistency, not intensity. Just 2 minutes a day can transform your natural performance and confidence. Here's the plan. Twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed, perform the perineum massage for 1 minute each session. That's it, 2 minutes a day invested in your vitality. No matter your age or how long it's been since you felt strong, the key is showing up every single day. During week 1, focus on awareness. Learn the technique, find the right pressure, and notice subtle sensations. Mild warmth or tingling is a sign your circulation is waking up. By week 2, subtle changes appear. Morning firmness improves, sensitivity heightens, and energy throughout the day increases. In week 3, your body starts remembering its natural rhythms. Nerves, muscles, and blood vessels reconnect, making the process feel effortless. By week 4, most men notice a remarkable shift: firmer erections, better endurance, and renewed confidence. This is performance reclaimed through your own effort, not a pill or machine. Don't stop after 30 days. Let this month lay the foundation for a lifelong ritual of self-respect and vitality. Consistency ensures your body continues to respond, and small, daily actions compound into lasting change. Quick tip: support this challenge with hydration, gentle exercise, stress management, and warmth to amplify results. Each habit feeds the others, creating a full-circle transformation for mind, body, and confidence. Next, we'll explore what this really means for you, helping you understand the deeper impact of these consistent small actions on your health, identity, and manhood. At this stage, you might be wondering why a simple 1-minute touch can create such profound change. It's not just about blood flow or nerve activation, it's about reclaiming your connection with your own body. Over time, many men lose awareness of their physical potential, but this massage helps you remember what strength feels like. By performing it consistently, you're sending a message: your body is alive, responsive, and capable. Strength, pleasure, and vitality aren't lost. They've been waiting for the right signal to awaken. I've seen a pattern in my practice. When a man loses confidence in his performance, it spills into other areas of life: energy, focus, even posture. But small, consistent actions like this massage rebuild identity and self-assurance. Men begin walking differently, speaking differently, feeling grounded and in control. Even men in their 60s, 70s, and 80s report regaining sensations they thought were gone forever. "Doctor, I didn't think it was possible at my age," they tell me. But it's not just possible, it's natural. The body never forgets how to perform, it only needs a nudge to remember. This technique goes beyond physical restoration. It rebuilds pride, confidence, and self-respect. Each minute you invest is a statement: I believe my body can respond. And with science, consistency, and proper habits, the results are enduring. Think of this as a lifelong ritual, a daily dialogue with your body. By respecting circulation, nerve health, and muscle memory, vitality naturally follows. When you reconnect, every part of your life, energy, relationships, confidence, begins to feel alive again. Next, we'll introduce a dedicated interactive section where we respond to questions, comments, and curiosity from viewers, reinforcing engagement and helping you feel part of this growing community. Now let's take a moment to connect with you, our viewers. Over the years, men have sent countless questions about potency, aging, and this 1-minute technique. Here, I'll address some common, quirky, and challenging inquiries. Can this really work if I'm 80? Absolutely. Age doesn't erase the body's blueprint, it just slows signals. With gentle, consistent practice, your system can awaken at any stage. Is it safe if I take blood pressure medication? Yes, but proceed gently. The massage complements circulation without replacing prescribed medications. How soon will I notice results? Many men feel subtle warmth or tingling within the first week. By week 4, stronger natural responses often appear. What if I'm skeptical? That's healthy. Think of it as an experiment: 2 minutes a day of mindful connection. If it works, you'll feel it. If not, you haven't lost anything. Does it feel awkward? Initially, yes, most men haven't explored this area in decades. But the discomfort fades quickly as your body learns to respond. Can I combine this with other health routines? Definitely. Hydration, light exercise, stress management, and warmth enhance the effects. I encourage you to leave your own comments, share wins, ask questions, or even challenge me with skepticism. Your engagement shapes future videos, helping us provide even more valuable advice for men's health. And remember, liking and subscribing isn't just a click, it's part of this journey. Every thumbs up helps other men discover these techniques, empowers our community, and keeps us motivated to bring more evidence-based insights. So take a moment, interact below, and let's grow together. Strength, vitality, and confidence aren't solitary. They thrive in a connected, informed community. Gentlemen, if you've stayed with me this far, you're ready for more than just instructions. You're ready for transformation. This isn't a simple trick. It's a reconnection with your body, your strength, and your confidence. For decades, men whisper about lost vigor, diminished drive, and fading spark. I always tell them you haven't lost it. You've just stopped communicating with your body in its own language. This 1-minute massage done consistently reawakens what's already within you. When your body responds, the warmth, the morning firmness, it's proof that your natural power is still present. Men who tried pills, injections, or devices often felt defeated, but this natural, gentle routine restores performance from the inside out. It's more than physical, it's a renewal of pride, self-respect, and identity. Every 60 seconds you spend communicating with your body is a statement. I believe in my vitality. With consistency, science, and supporting habits, your strength returns and age becomes irrelevant. I've seen men in their 70s and 80s stand taller, laugh louder, and live fuller simply because they committed 2 minutes a day to themselves. Your body is not against you, it's waiting for the right signal to awaken dormant pathways. So tonight, find that spot, breathe deeply, feel the warmth, and start this ritual. Do it again tomorrow morning. Let it become a daily practice of respect and care. Consistency here leads to freedom, pride, and unshakable energy. True potency doesn't leave a man, it waits for him to believe in himself again. Take this step. Your body will answer. And when it does, you'll understand that vitality, confidence, and natural strength are always within reach.